Hi guys, it's been a long since I've posted. I'm sorry. I had to delete YouTube on this account. But anyways, I got to line. Let's quickly film it with you, and it's so cool. So I found a place to set up and just quickly show you guys. So we got like a pink one. At first it was reddish and like so like the vibe was giving. It was nice. Yep. Anyways, I'll show you guys when I reach my friend's house. Woohoo! You guys, I just came out of this one. That's why I'm calling my friend now. Guys, so I'm knocked and I hear my friend's mom laughing, and I knocked like 3 times. No answer. Pop the bubble, no one answered. Like 3 times. Let me just quickly look again. Oh no, and it's just oh my, that was good. Just put it back and then play and then close it. Maybe knock again. Because I don't know. Okay, let's go. Hello, I'm not. Finally, someone answered. The thing is, they said she might be with our other friends. So, let's go check. Basically running because the car wants to pass. Hey, finally. We're just by the stay. We're just by the parking lot, and there's my family's car. Yep, I don't want to show the plate. Finally, that is my friend. Our other friend is right by her house. So we're gonna wait for her. Yes, hi, guys. Yeah, guys, it's Mia. There's Woodland and there's Siobhan. Okay, bye, y'all. We're gonna go play. I'm gonna film when I'm playing.